Hi everyone, I'm Diane Applewhite. Thank you for checking me out. Today I am making a key lime pie. Let me show you. I'm going to start by juicing my limes. I have 8 of these small, what they call Persian limes, and then 3 of the larger limes that I'm going to be using. Now, I don't know how many I'm going to actually need for the juice. I'm going to use for the juice. I'm going to need, however, 3/4 cups of the lime juice. I think I have enough now. This is a 5-ounce container of the lime juice, so this should be my 3/4 cups. And I ended up using all of the smaller limes, but I'm also going to need to zest about 2 tablespoons, not 2 tablespoons, but 2 teaspoons of lime. So I'm going to need 2 teaspoons of lime zest. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. Well, it's all over the place, but I think I got my at least 2 teaspoons of zest plus some for garnish. The next thing to make is the pie crust. I am crushing up a whole pack of graham crackers. There are about 9 whole graham crackers in this pack that I am going to just crush in the food processor. Start with some of those. Get that lid on here. Let me see, can I? Here are my graham crackers in this 9-inch pie dish. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, mix that right into the graham crackers, mix that around, get it all nice and mixed in there. Okay, that looks pretty well mixed to me. Now I am going to take 6 tablespoons of melted butter and I'm going to pour right into the graham crackers and sugar, and I'm going to get that all mixed in really well. Okay, I'm getting that mixed in pretty well. It helped once I got a fork. So let me get that butter saturated into the pie crust. The butter is saturated enough now where I can work with it, kind of shape it and mold it a bit. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to mold this crust right into the pan. I got my crust in here, but for added measure, I'm just going to go and take my bottom of a measuring cup and pat it down even more secure and make sure I'm getting it all up in the corners here, the crevices. All right. Okay, here's the pie crust. Now I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees and this is going right into it for 10 minutes. For the key lime pie filling, y'all, I am using 4 egg yolks. Before I forget, I'm going to stop and add a nice heaping teaspoon of the lime zest. Yes, I am. Almost forgot it too. But I'm gonna get that in there and let it whip. Now I'm going to add, I have 2 cans. I have 2 cans of condensed sweetened milk to the egg yolks and the lemon zest. I'm going to add 1.5 cans of the sweetened condensed milk. Get that all in there. Just 1 can, and then I'm gonna get a half can of the second can, and that's about 21 ounces that I'm actually using. I'm gonna add that. Then I am going to add 1/4 cup of, got some sour cream here. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. It's kind of a heaping cup of sour cream I'm going to put in here with it. Sour cream. And then I'm going to just give this, for real, a nice little mix. Kind of on medium high. We got that mixed, the sour cream. And the last thing for the filling that makes it what it is going to be a key lime pie is the key lime juice. And this 5 ounces, that is equivalent to 3/4 cups of key lime juice or lime juice. So I'm going to let that mix kind of on a medium low and let that mix for about 15 seconds, about a minute at most, for real. Here's our key lime pie filling. And here is our pie crust. And I placed it on this pie pan just to make it a little easy to handle. But what I'm about to do right now, let me adjust it just a little bit so you can see. Now I'm going to just pour the pie filling right into the pie pan. And I might have a little extra left, but that would be quite okay, but I think it all should go in here. And what I'm going to do is put this in the preheated oven. Again, that's 350 degrees, and I'm going to let this bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at most. Let me sit that down and kind of swirl it a little bit on the top, and I'll see you when this is out of the oven. Here's our pie out of the oven. I am going to let it cool completely down, and while this key lime pie is cooling, I'm going to make some topping. For the topping, I'm using 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. That's this right here. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of coconut extract. You can use vanilla, but I like coconut for this key lime pie. And I'm going to just whip it around just keep whipping it until I get some nice little peaks formed. The topping is ready. Ooh, and it tastes pretty good with this coconut flavor. Now I'm going to put it into the refrigerator and I'm going to let it chill. The pie has cooled completely down, and what you see me doing now with this whipped topping is something I have never done before, and you will get to see how it turns out. I kid you not. Nope, I haven't done this before. What do you think? How about if I garnish it just a little bit with some lime zest? Wow. I already know this is going to be delicious. Wow. Last but not least, before I forget, this pretty baby is going into the refrigerator and it's going to chill for at least 6 hours. Yes, at least. Key lime pie, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time. Bye-bye.